Welcome back to Intersolar North America. While there was already some action yesterday, today is the official opening of the event and you can already feel the anticipation in the air. 20,000 visitors are set to tour the over 580 exhibitors. This is what some of them expect.
It's one of the major solar industry shows here in North America. We expect to make excellent contacts within the industry, upstream as well as downstream.
Well, I'm here to take a variety of different products that are out in the market, more stuff that's a little more refined, and definitely looking at different options on being able to bring the levelized cost down.
I'm expecting to meet a lot of different companies coming all together here in North America, and I'm looking forward to making lots of partnerships here because we really want to carry solar forward, and this is a really good place for that.
I think that is a good opportunity for the American market to boom up, use more solar panels. It's one thing, it's more efficient, and even though right now the price is very high, but we see the market is very huge here.
Here with us now is Markus Elsässer, CEO of Solar Promotion, one of the organizers of Intersolar. Mr. Elsässer, how does Intersolar North America fit into the global Intersolar vision?
Intersolar is the world's leading exhibition series for the solar industry. We have shows in Europe, in the US, in India, and also from next year on in China. And Intersolar North America is our second largest show. And it's only our third year that we are here, and yeah, we saw tremendous growth over the last years. So we started with 200 exhibitors, we doubled the number of exhibitors last year, and now we have seen again 30% growth, which is impressive.
And what is waiting for the visitors over the next 3 days?
We have a very interesting conference. We have a lot of presentations going on in our innovation exchange. We have award ceremonies. We have a lot of possibilities to network with the business professionals from all over the world. So it's a very exciting time to be in San Francisco.
And how do you see Intersolar North America developing from here?
I mean, we have seen amazing growth in our European show, which was mainly driven by the market development. And when we look at the markets here in the US, we are quite sure that the market will this year at least triple its size, and the market has a huge potential in the future. So we are pretty sure that Intersolar will develop the same way.
Thank you very much, Mr. Elsässer.
Thank you.
We have recently seen solar technology significantly expanding outside of the European market. Many national incentives programs have recently been implemented in areas such as China, India, and the United States, of course, just to name a few. Over half of the states in the US have passed several political measures implemented to boost renewable energy production.
That means tax credits, lower loan rates for renewable energy projects, and renewable portfolio standards. Industry analysts predict a bright future for the solar market.
So the solar industry has seen a lot of ups and downs in the last 2 years, and we think that there's more ups and downs on the way. So if you're talking about 2010, all indications look like it's going to be a really, really good year for the industry. We expect demand to be 70% more than it was in 2009. Past 2010, so looking at 2011, 2012, 2013, we think those might be tougher years for people in the industry, especially with Germany sort of losing its prominence as a solar market with the feed-in tariff cuts. So we expect much slower growth in 2011, 2012, 2013. However, by the end of 2013, we do estimate that the market for PVs and solar in general is going to be really large, about 25 billion in module sales and about 60 billion in system sales overall.
It's because of this growth that Intersolar North America has become the premier meeting place for solar professionals around the world to discuss the North American market. While there are of course many cell and module manufacturers, equipment suppliers, systems technology, and components companies, the event also draws researchers, policymakers, financiers, and developers. Let's hear what some of them have to say.
There are a lot of very integral companies and executives that are coming to Intersolar North America, and we're hoping to meet them and develop some relationships.
It's important to make contacts and understand the evolving technologies that are important to our industry. Just from what I'm seeing here today, it's a very impressive array of technology, and it's extremely crowded. I think that people are getting on the bandwagon.
We're here to look for the potential of the market in the United States. As we know, the president is putting more efforts for the PV industry.
Approximately 10 gigawatts of solar panels will be installed worldwide in 2010, according to Green Tech Media, the first time the industry has passed this milestone. 10 years ago, the total amount of solar PV panels installed came to 170 megawatts. 170 megawatts is now the amount of solar that a single factory can produce. Some manufacturers even have enough capacity to produce a gigawatt of solar panels in a year.
I'm here at the exhibitor reception and networking event where everybody's kicking back and chatting with fellow solar professionals. It's co-organized by Intersolar's close partner CALSEIA, an important industry association within California. And with me now is Sue Cately. She's the executive director of CALSEIA. Well, Sue, tell me, how important is this relationship for you?
Intersolar is a fabulous relationship because it gives an opportunity for companies from all over the world to meet the successful solar companies here in California and get their product installed here. It's really great.
Thank you, Sue. That wraps up this day from the exhibition here in San Francisco. Tomorrow we will look at other technology areas Intersolar North America has to offer. I'm off now to enjoy the rest of the party. See you tomorrow. Cheers.